Let's talk about earnings, and we had a couple of them over this weekend. First of all, want to address Reliance Industries. Now, if you look at the first quarter results, they came in below estimates. If you look at the profit, that saw 39% of an increase, but while revenue saw about a 7% of a dip. What is exactly leading to this miss is what Sajid is going to discuss with us. Over to you, Sajid.
That's right, Anushi. Reliance numbers were muted for the first quarter. Net profit was boosted by sales income of from the sale of Asian Paints shares, which was sold in the open market, and that got them nearly 9,000 odd crores from that sale. EBITDA was below estimate owing to weak performance in OTC and retail network. Retail revenues and EBITDA saw biggest sequential growth in 5 quarters, and OTC segment was impacted by shutdown and inventory losses there. Jio grew on the back of subscriber addition and the tariff hike which happened last year. So the ARPU for the quarter was around 208.8, nearly a 1.3% increase on a sequential basis there. Now the management commentary has been pretty much bullish despite the fact the numbers are muted. They are on track to commission gigafactories in the next 4 to 6 quarters. The RIL says that it will be pursuing partnership for the new energy business, wherein the partners will bring in not only financial financing, but also take a new energy there, and the new energy platform is expected to be self-funded by the end in the next few years. It continues with its commitment to doubling of EBITDA by 2030. City in its report is saying that Q1 performance may not drive a meaningful change to consensus estimate. It says Q2 should be better, supported by retail and OTC, and the focus will now shift to the upcoming AGM of Reliance Industries. It retains a buy with a price target of 1690 per share. Macquarie, on the other hand, says that it's an optically beat on the back of investment sale. Jio was beat, retail was lackluster, and OTC gradually recovering. That's what the brokerage said. RIL share price should see moderation post Q1 since the share price has risen by nearly 25% since March, and it maintains outperform on the rating on the company, and the price target of 1500 per share.